Instagram is not just a platform for sharing pictures and videos anymore, it has become a lifestyle for many people. Having a great Instagram profile with a visually appealing aesthetic has become a trend in recent years. But building an aesthetic Instagram account requires some effort and knowledge. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to build an aesthetic Instagram account as a guy. 1. Find your style. The first and most important step in building an aesthetic Instagram account is finding your style. Your style reflects who you are, and it's essential to develop a unique style that reflects your personality. Start by researching other Instagram profiles that inspire you and analyze their style. Experiment with different filters, editing tools, and color schemes to find what works for you. 2. Create a consistent color palette. Once you've found your style, create a consistent color palette for your profile. Pick a few colors that work well together and use them consistently throughout your profile. This will make your profile look cohesive and visually appealing. 3. Post high-quality images. Your Instagram profile is all about the pictures, so it's essential to post high-quality images. Invest in a good camera or use your phone's camera to take high-quality pictures. Pay attention to the lighting, composition, and angles to create stunning images. Edit your pictures to enhance the colors and brightness to make them stand out. 4. Create engaging content. Your Instagram profile should be more than just a collection of pictures. To build an engaged audience, you need to create engaging content. Share your stories, experiences, and opinions with your followers. Use captions to tell a story or share your thoughts on the image you posted. Use hashtags to reach a wider audience and engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages. 5. Use Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories is an excellent feature to showcase your personality and creativity. Use Instagram Stories to share your daily life, behind the scenes, and sneak peeks. Use GIFs, stickers, and filters to make your stories more engaging and entertaining. 6. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other Instagram creators is an excellent way to expand your audience and create unique content. Look for other creators who have a similar aesthetic to yours and collaborate on a project or feature each other on your profiles. 7. Maintain aesthetic consistency. Maintaining aesthetic consistency is essential to building a visually appealing Instagram profile. Keep your feed clean and clutter-free by posting only high-quality images that fit your color palette and style. 8. Be patient. Building an aesthetic Instagram account takes time and patience. It's essential to keep posting consistently, engaging with your followers, and experimenting with different styles and techniques. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep working on your profile, and the results will come. Building an aesthetic Instagram account as a guy requires time, effort, and creativity. By finding your style, creating a consistent color palette, posting high-quality images, creating engaging content, using Instagram Stories, collaborating with other creators, maintaining aesthetic consistency, and being patient, you can create a visually appealing Instagram profile that reflects your personality and engages your audience. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such fashion and style content. Thanks for watching.